Okay, hello and welcome to our channel Pentastica. I just thought I'd give an update on what we've been doing on our windy Grand Mistral 37. When we bought her 3 years ago, we didn't know much about boats and she was looking terrible. That we know now. Now we know a little bit more about boats. This season we've had her in this warm container or hall, whatever you want to call it, and we've been able to work on her. And we've put a lot of hours in, and my wife Anna has been doing the polishing, and I can't tell whether or not on this video you can see that it really is shining. She's done an absolute fantastic job on it. Fantastic. Let me just take you around and show you around what's been done. We've striped her with this coal fiber wrapping, and we've put new logos on. These silver coloured logos were put on there, which we're really chuffed with. And yeah, it's a bit of a mess at the back here because we've been doing so much stuff. We've been anti-fouling the drives on them and putting new anodes on them and so on, and we've been sanding the teak. That's why it's covered over there on the top, and polishing and polishing and polishing. And just to give you an idea what she's like from that side, I'll go around anyway and let's go up and have a look inside, because we've done a lot of stuff on the inside too. Let's go in and have a look. Just take my shoes off. We've done the whole of these upholstery, and the cushioning is all new, and they made it was TF Design that done this for us, and they made a cover for the table. We've done the helm as well, changed those seats. We've installed a new plotter from Garmin, which we're really pleased with, and I've had to do the caulking because the previous owner had used Sikaflex, and as soon as it gets warm it gets really sticky and it leaves marks all over the place. But now I've done the caulking and sanded it down, and yeah, she's looking good. And from up here you can really see that she is absolutely gleaming now, totally gleaming. We've had the canopy in for a wash, so that's downstairs. Still a bit of a mess. We've got to do some tidying up. And there's the inlay that when you put this table down, you can have all this area as a big sunbed, which is very nice. We haven't done it yet, but we shall. When we come in to the saloon down here, as you can see, it's the same colouring scheme with the seating here. We've also put blinds in all over the place actually. We've also changed the carpet, put new carpet in down there and underneath, going round. There's a demistifier there going on, and also under there. We've put new fridges in as well, here and just up there. We put a new one in there as well. We've invested in this thing, which is fantastic. Dishwasher that you connect when you're on connected to the land electricity, and do all your dishes in there, which is fantastic. What we've got to do, we've also done the beds. We've redone all the bedding in here, new mattresses and everything, which is we're really pleased about. These fantastic, so comfortable. What we've got left to do is we've got to change the carpet in here because it's a little bit grubby. It's not too bad, but it will look nicer once it's done. You've got the cupboards in here as well, which are all nice and in order. Windy hat. And yeah, we've also invested in new lights over there, LED lights, touch, and they've also got USB-C charging on them, so you can charge as well. But this is the forward cabin, which we don't sleep in actually, even though we've even put a telly in there, but we don't sleep in this one. We prefer to sleep in the mid cabin, because in the mid cabin it's bigger, it's wider. There's the new washed canopy. If we come down here, we've also done the same. We've put lighting in, LED lighting above the head, reading lights as well. Same touch on those. We've put blinds, which they're not down at the moment, over there as well. We've also added this little piece which TF Design made for us. It's bespoked, so that you get the whole full length of the bed, and it's a big bed. That is a big bed. It's barely that you can get it in the camera. And also, a good thing, once that's in, it's a bit of a storage underneath there, even though you do have a wardrobe here, which is a hanging wardrobe, which is quite good. It's a good one. It's a very comfortable room to sleep in. That's where we sleep. And the also thing is, you've got the heads here. We've also in here, what we've done in here is we've put an electric toilet in there, installed that, put some blinds in here as well. And this is all really a wet room, so you can have a shower. This pulls out, so that's your shower head, which is really good. And the beauty of it is there's nothing that can get wet. We've put this railing in up if you want to, and just to keep the woodwork nice and dry. But otherwise, everything, it doesn't matter if it gets wet. It's all plastic fantastic. But this has all been cleaned and done and refurbished. This is looking lovely. And the beauty of this, having this here, is that you've got this Jack and Jill door, so you can get in to this room here. So you've got, it's like the ensuite to this room, which we are very happy with. And let's go back out this way. So that's what she's looking like at the moment. And like I said, we are very, and this nice cozy lighting has been put in as well. So turn those off, and then you can see just what it's like with those lights on there. And if I do the same, come round and do the same in here, switch these ones off and have those cozy lights. You've got these ones here as well, which are dimmable. It's lovely, yeah. And you've got the 3 doors that are drawers underneath for your bed linen and whatever. Also, it's storage all the way underneath these chairs. I won't take them up and show you, not this time, because I've got the Mystify going on. And yes, she's a absolutely fantastic boat. Now she is well up to date, and we are very satisfied. And I don't think there's a lot more I can say. I can try to show you what it's like if I come up to the helm. If you've got any questions you need to ask us. Oh, let me show you this. This is a good addition as well. Under here, I'll just put that down, it's a massive fridge where you can put all your drinks and what you need to keep cool for those hot summer days. And you've got the Targa up here with the searchlight up there, navigation lights up the top and the horns. And let's come around here and have a look at the helm. What have we got here? We've got the throttles here, the gears. It's an EDC, which is lovely. You've got the bow thruster down here. You've got your rotor showing you where the rotor is, and then all your instruments up here and all the switches. And these are extra machines, but this is the one that we use, the one we put in. And this is the view from up here, standing up. It's a beautiful view. Yeah, great. So let's have a little panorama of the boat. This is what she's like, and without the canopy. So yes, very soon she will be launched and ready to set sail, or motor, whatever you prefer. Anyway, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll keep you up to date on our upgrades and what we've been doing and how we've been fixing everything on our windy Grand Mistral 37 GM, and she is shining. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.